Cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner is a popular Korean skincare product formulated with natural AHAs and BHAs, which are powerful exfoliants that provide numerous benefits to the skin. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of this toner, how to use it properly, and what to do and not to do when using this product. If you're new here, we post skin education and how to use skincare products on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to avoid missing any videos. The Cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner is formulated with a blend of natural ingredients that work together to exfoliate, clarify and rejuvenate the skin. AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, and BHAs, beta hydroxy acids, are natural exfoliants that help to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. AHAs are water soluble and work on the skin surface, while BHAs are oil soluble and penetrate deeper into the pores. Glycolic acid is the AHA used in this toner. It is derived from sugarcane and helps to exfoliate the skin surface by breaking down the bonds between dead skin cells. This leads to improved skin texture, reduced hyperpigmentation, and a brighter complexion. Willowbark water, a natural BHA, is used in this toner, an antioxidant that can help to reduce the appearance of pores and balance sebum. It is also able to balance the pH of your skin. Betaine salicylate is also formulated in this toner, which is derived from the combination of betaine, a natural occurring amino acid, and salicylic acid, as well known as the beta hydroxy acid. This offers a milder and less irritating alternative, making it suitable for sensitive skin types or those who cannot tolerate pure salicylic acid. This compound works by dissolving the bonds between dead skin cells and unclogging pores, helping to prevent acne breakouts, blackheads, and whiteheads. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and calm irritated skin. In addition to its exfoliating benefits, it is also a humectant, meaning it helps to attract and retain moisture in the skin. This can help to maintain skin hydration and improve overall skin health. Now it's time to learn how to use the Cosrx AHA BHA toner in your routine. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Spray a cotton pad with the toner and gently swipe it across your face, neck, and décolleté, avoiding the eye area. You will then follow with your essences, serums, and moisturizer. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the Cosrx AHA BHA toner. Do a patch test before using it on your face to make sure that you don't have a reaction or you're allergic to any of the ingredients in the toner. Do use sunscreen during the day when using this toner, as AHAs and BHAs can increase skin sensitivity to the sun. Don't use too much product at once. A soaked cotton pad should be sufficient enough for your entire face. If you need more for your neck and décolletage, add a little bit more to your cotton pad. Don't use this toner on broken skin or areas that are currently experiencing irritation or inflammation. The Cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner is an excellent skincare product that offers numerous benefits to the skin. It is a great product option to start introducing exfoliating acids to your skin that is gentle. By incorporating this toner into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a more radiant, clear, and smooth complexion. If you want to learn more about salicylic acid and how it works in the skin, then check out this video here next.